All right. So obviously, I think the first thing I need to say is my name's Judge Whitaker, which I'll do, which really has nothing to do with this particular charge. But so I think the first sentence, Judge Glanville is no longer the judge presiding over this case for which you've been selected and sworn to try. That's fine. There's no objection to that. As I understand, there's an objection to Judge Glanville was removed as the presiding judge. I would propose as a compromise, maybe just I will be the presiding judge in this case moving forward. Then you're not to concern yourself with the change, which is already there. And I would just preface the next proposed sentence that is in a trial, none of the decisions of the court, nothing the judge says is evidence. I mean, that's true, and that's a legitimate charge. I'll give that. I would just say, let me remind you, as I assume presiding duties in this case, that in a trial, none of the decisions the court makes, et cetera, et cetera. And then with regard to disregard any comments made by Judge Glanville that were disparaging of the defense lawyers, I would propose, because I am not supposed to be commenting on the evidence either, you are to disregard any comments made by Judge Glanville that may have been disparaging of any of the lawyers in this case.
Your Honor, would the court consider not instructing the jury as to anything?
If you want to think of some different language, I'll consider it, but that's what I'm thinking right now. I mean, he did make comments disparaging of lawyers. That's not evidence. It's nothing. There's nothing wrong with me saying disregard that. So that's where I am right now. If you want to propose something else, then propose it.
Orally or in writing? Does the court mind orally?
Sure. Go ahead.
You are to disregard any commentary, any comments that you deem commentary on counsel for either side.
So instead of disparaging?
Yes, that's assuming that there were disparaging.
Well, that's why I'm saying that may have been. So that may have been commentary? Well, I mean, right. He shouldn't, it's irrelevant whether he said, you are doing a fantastic job today either. So, all right, maybe craft it a little bit more. And I understand what you're saying. So if you want to come up with a word that kind of encapsulates disparaging or complimentary, let me know. Anything from the defense, or y'all just want to wait and see what she comes up with and then talk about that?
I don't have an objection to the part that you said about what you said.
All right.
I do not see the need to add also complimentary.
No, I don't think we should either. I wasn't suggesting that. I'm saying if we don't say disparaging, then let's come up with a word that would encapsulate any kind of commentary whatsoever, whether it's flattering or non-flattering.
But it should be disparaging. That's my point.
It might stay like that, but
and I think that I heard what you said, but I would continue to ask if you think it's appropriate to reconsider about Judge Glanville has been removed.
Okay.
Other than that, I don't have any other objections.
All right. Okay, so we'll leave that for now. And if you, Ms. Love, want to propose another word or phrase, let me know. Otherwise, it'll read as I read it.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.